Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are diving into the wisdom of Naval Ravikant through his book, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. This book is a treasure trove of insights on how to create a wealth and create happiness. Let's break down the key topics. Chapter 1, Seasons of Change. Explore the theme of change and adaptation in life, reflecting on the cyclic nature of the seasons. From the blossoming of spring to the warmth of summer, the colors of autumn and the quiet introspection of winter. Each season offers its own lessons about growth, transformation, and renewal. Celestial wonders delve into the beauty and awe-inspiring phenomena of the night sky, from twinkling stars to mesmerizing constellations. Discover the magic of celestial events like meteoroids, eclipses, and planetary alignments. Chapter 3, Earthly Treasures. Explore the abundance of resources provided by the earth, from fertile farmlands to mineral-rich landscapes. This chapter celebrates the interconnectedness between humanity and the environment, emphasizing the importance of stewardship and sustainability. In Chapter 4, Health and Wellness, explore the importance of maintaining physical and mental well-being in Almanac. This chapter provides practical tips and insights for living a healthy lifestyle, including exercise routines, nutritious eating habits, mindfulness practices, and self-care strategies. Chapter 5, Timeless Traditions. In Timeless Traditions, celebrates the diverse cultural practices that have endured through generation, fostering a sense of belonging and unity. From the religious festival to annual ceremonies, these traditions reflect the values, beliefs, and identity of a community. Chapter 6, Practical Skills. Almanac focuses on practical skills that empower individual to become a more sufficient in various aspects of life. It, it offers guidance on mastering essential tasks and projects that enhance daily living. From the cooking nutritious meals and cultivating a garden to woodworking, wood and home repairs. These chapters provide step-by-step instructions and tips for owning practical abilities. In Chapter 7, Words of Wisdom, delve into the timeless wisdom from various cultures and traditions. Explore the thought-provoking quotes, verbs that inspire reflection and contemplation. From ancient philosophers to modern day thinkers, discover nuggets of insight to reach your journey through life. Chapter 8, Adventurous Await, celebrates the spirit of exploration and discovery. It encourages readers to embrace new experiences, whether it's traveling to distant lands, exploring local attractions, or delving into the new hobbies. This chapter sparks curiosity and inspires a sense of wonder, reminding us that life is an adventure waiting to be explored. Almanac of Naval Ravikant is not just a guide to wealth, but a manual for living a fulfilling life. By applying these principles, you can work towards both financial freedom and personal happiness. Watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Signing off, Maheshwari.